Welcome to the 14th little video of our conversion of a DAF LF to camper van. Some of the things are controlled by an Arduino, and this is the Nextion 7-inch display which displays the information to you. So there's an area here to do with the fresh water. The tank there's pictorially shown with 3 levels in, and they're all 3 covered, so the tank is full. There's an external pump which is like a pump that goes inside a tank like a lot of caravans have. If you have a hose pipe, you can connect it in directly, and it's got a valve there. And it's also got a heater there if the temperature drops too low, and this is the temperature of the water. And then the internal pump is the pump that pressurizes the shower and the taps and so on. So the area for wastewater here, the low level probe is covered, and so it's like this is a pictorial view of how full it is. There is also a heater here. Here's the temperature of the water, and the discharge pump is off at the moment. And if you want to connect it up and empty it, you press the button and then the discharge pump comes on. So press it again to switch it off. So outside we've got some temperatures, outside, inside, some voltages. The truck voltage isn't correct, it's not connected. The leisure voltages, this is the solar panels, are giving 128 volts into a controller. Some amps into the leisure batteries there. It's just slowly going in. And there's an inverter, so the amps into the inverter, 1.85 amps at the moment. The system has got a brightness detector, a light detector, and so at the moment it's 100% bright, but at night it automatically dims. There is a leveling system here, just a level monitoring system, and it shows the level at each corner of the vehicle. This is a pictorial view of the unit with a cab at the front. And then there are some outside lights which you can press to switch on or off the outside lamps. There are also some signals here for various things. One is the steps out. So if I put out the steps, you'll see that there's a little indicator. And if the DAF ignition is on and the steps are out, it will warn. So if I force a valve open, this direct water inlet valve, it will open, and then we get an alarm, fresh water high and override on. And in a moment you'll get an audible alarm. And what happens is when you get that, you can press the button to acknowledge it. It still stays there, but the audible alarm goes off. And if I force this to be closed again, after a few seconds this alarm will disappear. So there's another picture now of the trends. So this shows the trends of a few things. The pink, leisure battery amps going into it. The yellow, the amps going into the inverter. Red, the leisure voltage, the leisure battery voltage, and the green are the solar volts. And this is the time now. So this whole period is about 30 minutes. So you can see it just slowly inching across, starting from here. And to go back to the main page, you just click on that to go back. So that's just an overview. We are continually just tweaking it slightly, but it gives you information on everything that's going on. Thank you for your interest. More videos soon.